Please log into your Drive. Good morning, Anisha. I'll edit mine, okay? Update please कीजिए. Upload it. Okay. Guys, anyone have taken the previous file which I've given you, Global Superstore 1? Hmm. हाँ, correct. Couple drive. Couple हो गया. हाँ हाँ. No need to ask. Please. Okay. So guys, they take this file from the drive. And the Superstore final. Guys, log into your drive, take your file, Superstore final. Once you're done, inform me. And you know how to import data in Tableau. Do that also. नहीं आपने कुछ चेंजेस किए? हाँ.
Done, sir.
Okay. How many are ready with the file? Okay. Guys, the dash will start with the dashboard. So just giving a brief for you. The dashboard is nothing but a collection of two things. First is your charts. Second is your charts. Okay. The first will work on charts because you're familiar with how to make a multiple charts. Okay. Just scroll through the data. Okay. Look at the data and tell me any doubts you have. Go through the data, guys. If you remember, we have taken global superstore data every time. That data I have taken subset. I have taken data of only US. Done, everyone? Okay. We'll start with the first one, right? Segment analysis. First sheet. Are you getting a proper name? Segment analysis. Okay. Always remember you have to work on an entire view. I'll not repeat this. Each segment in column. Segment in color. Sales in label. Then select shape. Segment in color. Sales in label. And then just select shape. Done, clear, everyone? Should I repeat? Online students have been done, or should I repeat?
Please repeat, sir.
Okay. Segment in column. Always you need to work by default in the entire view. Segment in color. Unclear. Then sales in label. Done till here. Drop down, there's an automatic drop down and click on shape. Are you getting numbers with circle? Have you reached here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now what you can do, take your segment in shape. Clear? Are you getting 3 different shapes? Now click on shape. There's an option called default. Drop down, come to material, social. It is your opinion, guys. Whichever you want to select, you can select. I selected this 3. See, inside material, social. You can select any one, whichever you like. People who are absent yesterday, you will not have this symbol. So you can take any symbol from except default. Done, guys? Okay. Now, guys, on the right-hand side, every time you need to remove these cards, hide cards. See, hide cards and entire view has to be done by you by default. If you do not hide the card, guys, your dashboard will be wrong. Till you're clear. Make the segment analysis, double click on segment analysis and take this center, take this way. And press OK. Done till here. Now, guys, can you see there are 2 times segment coming? Now here we have a segment. The first see my arrow. I right click. Hide field label for columns. Do like this way. Done this one, everyone. Done, guys. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Next. Here, if you see, name is coming, symbol is coming, and numbers is coming. I want to take this number on the top. Click on label. You have something known as alignment. It is automatic. Drop down. Is whenever you click, just see the numbers. Okay, first see on the board. I click on center. It was like this one prior. I click on center and I take top. Center and top. Clear. Done. Second sheet. First sheet done. Category analysis. So category in column. Category in column. Done. Sales in label. Shape. Category in shape. Okay. Click on shape and select whatever shape you want. It is your opinion. I'm repeating, it is your opinion. Whichever shape you want to take, you can take that. I'm into material notification. If you want, you can work with me. Furniture means slipping. Office supplies means technology means global. जैसे लास्ट टाइम के साथ सेम करना है, ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं किया मैंने कुछ किया. Click on shape. Shape कोई भी select कीजिए जो आपको पसंद हो. हाँ. Guys done. क्या नहीं हो रहा है इसमें? Shape change नहीं हो रहा. Entire view नहीं करोगे ना तो वो दिखेगा ही नहीं. That's the reason, guys. Entire views by default you have to do. Okay. Second, are you getting cards on the right hand side? Remove that. Hide cards. And everyone. Are you getting a category name on the left hand side? Title name. Take in center. Done. Now you have category coming again. Right click and hide field label for columns. Same we have done prior sheet. Done. Now the number is coming on the left hand side. Should I do? To take number on top, click on label, alignment, center, top. See over here, I click on the center, I click on the top. Adjust the color wise, furniture should be blue. Office supply, people like to sit. And take a red, green. and just click on sort. So based on sales wise, it will come for you. So first technology, then furniture, then office supplies. Clear, guys? Online students, do you want to repeat anything? Online students.
Sir, how to create this shape?
Click on shape.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Click on shape. Here you have default option. You can select anyone. Just select on anyone, just click on assign palette.
Okay, sir.
Guys, do you want to repeat anyone this one? Or should I move to next? Ragini, Anisha, Shantanu, Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I go to next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click on the third one, right? Category analysis. Sorry, subcategory. Already we done with the category now. Just write subcategory analysis. The title name in center, guys. Initial only. Done. Click on sales, click on subcategory. Swipe, sort. Click on T, entire view. Comfortable. Swipe, sort, entire view. Okay. Now guys, okay. How many bars we have? Bars we have 17. So we just require top 10 bars. How should I do? Worksheet. Subcategory and drag and filter. Take subcategory and drag and filter. Go to top, click on by field. Category and drag and filter. Go to top, click on by field, press OK. So you will be getting a top 10 sales. Okay. Take a subcategory in color. Done. Now guys, we are getting numbers and bars. So do we require sales column? This x-axis. Click on sales, right click, show header. It will hide for you. Clear? Can you hide the cards? Okay. Now guys, if you see there is another, yes.
Can you please repeat the last process?
Which one?
The click on sales and then what did you say?
Click on sales, then show header.
Okay, sir.
Done guys. Now on the y-axis, what are the names coming? Phones, chairs, and so on. At the header, are you getting subcategory written? Right click on this subcategory. You get height field label for rows. hide field label for row. Again, become more better plot. Okay. Now, guys, in your subcategory in the plot, are you getting small vertical lines? Okay. Done everyone till here, online students?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Click on the plot anywhere. Okay. Right click, format. See my arrow, guys. Here we have grid lines, format lines. Okay. Come to grid line, click on none. So your line is vanished. Click on none. The line will be vanished for you. Now, on the top, there is an option for remove. See my arrow? Remove that. So we're done with segment, category, and subcategory. Any question anyone have? Please ask. Okay. Now moving forward, guys. Click on the plus sign. Now we'll work on your, let's say, state-wise analysis. Right? State-wise analysis. You take sheet name on center. Done, everyone. Now there's a column name which you're getting as country/region. Double click and wait. Okay. Guys, what are the things coming on column on the top? Row pills, column pills, longitude and latitude. This longitude and latitude is a by default variable of Tableau. Okay, we don't create it. It's by default there in Tableau. So whenever you select any location variable, it get activated. Second, you should have an internet connection. Okay. Now, which country data we're getting? United States. Perfect. Now what you can do, state in label, region in color, drop down automatic, click on map. Right inside, are you getting a cards? Hide this. Till you're done, click on maps, click on map layers. In dark, works out 100%. Click on map, I'll come and show you. Map and map layers. आपके इसमें नहीं है, आप वेट कीजिए. Take on dark, style में, wash out 100%. This will get a proper line for each and every state. So can I say here we have state name also, we have region color also, and we have country map also. Okay. But the name of the state is coming in white color, difficult to read. So click on text. Okay. Click on font and select black. Easy to read now. Okay. So how many sheets we have done, guys? 4 sheets. Segment wise, category wise, subcategory wise, and state wise. Guys, write a new sheet. This will be a last charts for you. Profit versus written. Guys, do we have anywhere profit? Do we have anywhere column called written? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, my sale price is 120. Okay. Understand the logic how we need to create it. Our profit is 20. How much will be the cost? ये clear हो गया? Now I need to find how much % profit I make. What should be the formulas? 100 divided by 20. You're trying to say here we solve like 120 minus 20 will get 100. So you want to find 100 cost upon do guys and tell me how much you're getting. Do this calculation and tell me in terms of percentage. How much? Correct calculation एक बार करो. I just want to find how much % profit we make. तो 5% प्रॉफिट आया है हमारा. नंबर इजी है ना. कितना % प्रॉफिट हो गई है? Something is wrong in this formula ना. Do this one. अभी correct है. If the product costs 100, you sell in 120, profit is 20 rupees. That 20 rupees is the cost for 20%. Agree? Yes or no, guys? So can I say instead of writing a cost, can I write like this way? So what I will get? Profit %. Come to the screen. Drop down. Create calculate field. Right? Profit rate. Or profit rate is better. What is the formula we make, guys? Profit divided by sales minus profit on screen. First bracket. second round bracket. Here I will have profit bracket close. ये clear हो गया? Divide by again bracket. What is the denominator formula, guys? Sales minus profit bracket close. So we have numerator also, we have denominator also. Correct? Then overall bracket close. To get percentage, multiply by 100. Clear? Yes, okay. Just give me a second, I'm coming. This is done. Online students, for your safe and side, I'm just dragging the formula in the chat. You can copy and paste also.
Done, sir.
ये इतना बेसिक फॉर्मूला है, इधर देखो, पहले क्या स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट होता है, फिर उसके ऊपर यहाँ पे आएगा प्रॉफिट, ये क्लोज हो गया, फिर और एक ब्रैकेट होगा, ये क्लोज होगा, फिर ये पूरा क्लोज होगा, फिर ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा 100 से, हो गया। Done, everyone, online students. Okay. Now, guys, understand the logic. Okay. First, I will do. Later, you can do. Okay. So we have make profit percent. Now we have to make return percent. How much percent return we have? Now we have a return column. Okay. How many return I have, guys? So we have 800 written. Ye clear ho gaya? Okay. I'm just explaining, guys. You don't have to do. Okay. Analysis percent. Total how many data we have? How much percent return we have? Can you do a calculation? How do we do calculation? कैसे करोगे? अरे orally बोला है, write the formula.
800 divided by yes, divided by total into 100.
Then you multiply by 100. Solve and give me the number. How much, guys, you're getting? So 8% return we have. Okay. Let me confirm with you. Okay. Now for me, 8% is important or 92% is important? Means people keep on returning and happy. So return is important. The return rate decreases, profit increases. Return rate means nobody is returning the product. They purchase and they take the product and they never return. If they never return the product, can I say I will get a profit? Clear? Okay. Now is rate on calculation, rate on calculate field. Right? Return rate. Now, guys, as you said, it is yes upon total. First, we need to count how many yes we have. Then we don't need to count how many total we have. And then we need to divide this. Okay. So count D. First, I'm counting. If I'm inside the round bracket, guys. If written is equal to yes, then अगर written yes है तो किसको काउंट करेगा? Let's say रो आईडी को. Clear? To stop this process, we write end. So it will only count where there is yes given. Now clear? We need to divide by which, guys? By total. Okay. Divide by count of D of row ID. ये clear हो गया, guys? Next, we need to multiply by 100. Do we need to multiply with denominator or entire thing? अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Denominator. This is what? Numerator. We have to multiply entire thing. So one bracket before count, one bracket close. Multiply by 100. Online students, for you, I'm sharing a formula. You can copy and paste also directly. And press OK.
So do we have to remember these formulas?
No. It's a logic. It's a logic which we make. It's not a, you have to remember it.
Okay.
Done this one. Okay. Now what we can do, double click on profit. double click on order date, double click on return date, double click on profit rate, double click on order date, double click on return rate. Are you getting year wise? After picture guide karo. Okay. Return your order date is coming as blue color. Drop down and select month. ये clear हो गया? So are you getting one diagram or two diagram? Two. So go to return rate, drop down and click on dual axis. They will get club for you. Okay. Now in the profit rate, drop down, go to marks type and select bar. Drop down, marks type and select bar for profit rate. Clear guys. Okay. Click on T. Yeah, okay. Now take your order date and drag in color. You're getting this type of option. Now guys, on columns, we have taken year or month? Month. In the color, what I'm getting? Here. Can you take month now? Clear guys, easy. Now I'll ask you one more thing. We have all the bars have numbers. Do we require profit rate column? Y-axis. So click on profit rate, which is Y-axis. Right click, show header. It's vanished. Done guys. Can you take profit versus return on center? Profit rate percentage. Guys, are you getting profit rate in percentage? One second. Huh? Just give me a second. Let me cross check. Go. Okay. Done till here, guys. Okay, we remove this. So header. Okay. Now, guys, what you can do, you have a profit rate column. Online students, you have profit rate column. Drop down. Quick table calculation. Select percent of total. You will get profit in percentage now. Take your header in the center, guys. Okay. Done. Now, guys, are you getting order date written extra? Right click, hide label. Done, everyone. Okay. Are you getting some horizontal line in the chart? Minus a line. Right click on the chart, format, lines. Right click on the chart, format, lines, grid lines, none. So that minor line is vanished now. Clear? Now, guys, what is the value of January for profit? 3.91 and return rate 8.6. But what is the value for July? They're just like overlapping. Okay, we need to format this. Come to over here in the profit, sum of profit written. Click on text, alignment, center. In vertical center, your work will be done. You clear? Okay. So all the numbers are coming in center of the bar. Now here we have aggregate written. See, there are two boxes. One is for profit and one is for written. Click on written. Come to label, alignment, go for top. So now nothing will overlap. So guys, we are done with the charts, all type of charts. Now we don't have to worry. Okay. More 20 minutes, max to max. Okay. Guys, just cross check. I'm going for the first sheet. Everyone, segment, same formatting. Entire view, no cards. Category, entire view, no cards. Subcategory, top 10, entire view, no cards, no line. State wise, no cards, entire view. Return rate, entire view, no cards. Now we are working on charts, or we can say cards. First one you write, total custom. Sheet name is total customer. I understand this how I do. Okay, then you can do. On the left hand side, do we have measures coming in green color? Can you see longitude, latitude? So longitude, latitude, and number of records. These are by default variable there in your tableau. Longitude, latitude, number of records. आपके पास क्या होगा लिखा number of? Whichever come in italic format, not like a normal letters which are italic, that default variable. Now, guys, I need to find how many customers we have. And I found based on customer ID. See, customer ID in text. One customer can book multiple products. Okay, so see over here. Drop down, measures, count distinct. Do this one. How many customers we have? 793. ये clear हो गया guys? Click on text. Click on triple dot. यहाँ पे लिखो customer strength and press enter. Press enter. Control A. B. Click on B. Take time Romans. Font size keep as well. Done guys. ये हो गया.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you please repeat?
Click on text from the start or you are getting 793.
I'm not even get that 793.
Take customer ID and drag in text.
Okay, I have done this.
Here you have customer ID. Can you see my arrow?
Yes, sir.
Drop down, measures, count distinct.
Okay. Okay, done, sir.
Click on text, triple dot. Write customer strength. Press enter. Done till here.
Yes, sir, done.
Control A. Font size, font format Times Romans. Instead of 9, write 12. Click on bold. Click on B. Whatever font size you're keeping, you have to keep common for all. Time Roman said 12 there, bolded. ये clear हो गया? Done Ragini? Done Yogesh?
Done, sir.
Okay. वहाँ पे कस्टमर नेम लिखा है ना, वहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए फर्स्ट लाइन पे, कहीं पे भी क्लिक कीजिए. Okay. Left will come on the left. Are you getting? Now second row is customer ID. Click on second row and click on right. So one is in the left corner, one is on the right corner. Every time we have to do this. Press OK. Is clear okay? You are working on StarNet or entire view? Always take entire view, guys. Next new sheet. Write orders. Take order ID in text. Same process. Drop down, measures, distinct. Done. How many orders we have? Are you getting Ragini, Yogesh, Kiran, Shantanu?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Nisha?
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Click on text, click on triple dot, and write total orders and press enter. M Romans 12 bold. एक को लेफ्ट में और एक को राइट में. फर्स्ट रो क्लिक लेफ्ट, सेकंड रो क्लिक राइट, and press OK. Want me to repeat? Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
New sheet, add quantity. Sheet name total quantity. Okay. Can you see there is a column called quantity with us? We have a column called quantity. Take and drag in the text. Click on text, triple dot, and just write quantity. Control bold. Time Romans 12. Guys, make sure you work on entire view, otherwise the dashboard will not be proper. Done, Shubham, Yogesh, Ragini, Shantanu. There's 2 sheets more, then we are done with the all sheets. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, sir. Next.
Click on plus sign. Now take sales and drag in the text. Right, sheet name as sales. Click on text, triple dot. I'm writing revenue. Revenue, time Romans 12, bold, left, right. Entire view. This is the second last sheet, guys. Done. Now, guys, this data is of which country? US. In US, do we have rupees or dollar? Dollar. So this is 22 lakhs or 22 lakhs dollar. Correct? Everyone done till here? Dheeraj? Okay. Nisha, Agni, Shantanu, Yogesh, done?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now come to sum of sales, drop down, click on format. Sum of sales, drop down and click on format. Something open on the left hand side. Can you see in default we have numbers? Click on the drop down arrow. Are you getting number and see started? What is selected, guys? Okay. So are you getting something automatic over there? Drop down, filling all the options. Right, United States. And select English United States. And see in your data dollar sign comes. Clear? Getting everyone? Online students.
Yes, sir.
Now come,
Yes,
click
sir.
on currency custom. Decimal or how many? Decimal places 2. Right over there 0. So decimal is vanished. Now guys, if I want to ask you, okay, K means in rupees, what is the value of K? 1000. Can say display unit 1000. So numbers that come out to 1000. Done everyone. उसी के नीचे
Repeat one.
So we are just displaying the value in 1000 format. Done everyone. Online students, Yogesh, Kiran,
Done, sir.
Ragini, Shantanu.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now you see there's an option to cancel. That's done for you. Add a new sheet, last sheet, guys. Write profit. And take profit in text. Click on text, triple dot, write profit. Guys, done? Okay. So guys, just compare all the charts first. Done, everyone? What is the first chart we make? Are you getting the same screen with me? No cards, entire view. Second, entire view, no cards. Third, fourth, fifth. Total customers, entire view. Orders, total quantity, sales, profit, entire. Until here. Okay. Guys, if you're ready till here, you can take a break. After break, we'll go for dashboard.
Okay, sir.
And make sure everyone should have a mouse with you. Okay. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ragini, Shantanu.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the way we add a sheet, next to that we have a dashboard. Click on that. Way we click on the sheet, next to that one there is one symbol of dashboard. You can see my arrow. Did you get Ragini, Shantanu, Yogesh?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now guys, in the dashboard, we'll go on the left hand side first. Here we have default option and phone option. Click on phone. What happened? The sizeless shrinkage. You can present your report using mobile phone also. Point number one. Click on default. Next we have size. Okay. In the size, click on that. Can you see height and width? Keep on reducing width and see what happened. Keep on reducing height. See what happened. It becomes small. Okay. So guys, we can reduce height and width also. My suggestion, here we have a fixed size. Click on automatic. So it will auto adjust as per your laptop screen. Done. यहाँ पे फिक्स होगा, को ऑटोमेटिक लेना है. Done, everyone. At the bottom, okay, here we have sheets. Can you see multiple sheets, guys? Just drag anyone. Entire page is taken. Drag second one. Drag third one. Drag fourth one. I've taken 4 plots. Clear. I just keep on dragging. Can you see on my screen, guys? All the 4 plots have taken fixed space. Auto fixed size adjusted. But okay. So can you see which is click over here? Tilde or floating? Tilde. Tilde means a fixed size given to every plot. An auto adjustment of size will happen. Clear. So one page have 4 plots. So dashboard is nothing but collection of plots. Clear. Any question? नहीं, जब ड्रैग किया बस आपने ऐसे ड्रैग किया होगा वर्टिकल में. आपने ऐसे ड्रैग करो. Now clear. Now guys, can you see there's an option called clear sheet? Click on that. Everything will be vanished. Done, everyone. Now by default till was selected. Now click on floating. Floating option open. Getting floating, guys. Now keep on dragging one by one. Size adjust automatically. Or it look like manual. See. We adjust the height. So floating means where we change the height. Until means automatically softened. ये clear हो गया? Yes or no? Okay. Now clean this form. There's an option called show dashboard title. Click on that. Are you getting a title option? Okay. Dashboard 1. Select and write sales report. sales analysis report. Bold, center. Okay. You're getting two boxes, guys. If you see, I'm just clicking. Sale box is different, and this below box is different. See, everyone is on floating now. So point number one is here what we have, view. Second, size. Third, sheets. Fourth, we see tail and float. Fifth, we see dashboard title. Object is remaining, guys. We'll come to object later. Now, next to that, can you see layout on the top? Now, layout is for formatting. Okay. Now, dashboard item hierarchies. Are you getting a tilde option? Drag this. Getting vertical option? Drag that. There are two options coming. What is the first option? Sales analysis report. Click on that. Getting option for border. पहले स्क्रीन देखो, बॉर्डर पे सेलेक्ट करो, फर्स्ट लाइन सी, पहले देख तो लो, फर्स्ट सेकंड ब्लैक, डन. We get a proper border for that. Every time you have to do a border, guys. Okay. Now select on below tilde. See over here. Here was sales analysis. Now click on tilde and take a border. So this will help us to understand there are two boxes. One is a title box, one is a data box. Layout, drop down, sales पे क्लिक किया, बॉर्डर ले लीजिए. Then tilde पे क्लिक कीजिए, then take a border. Done. So guys, come back again. This the way you drill down, just come back. Clear, guys. Online students done till you.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now take one vertical from the object. Take one vertical and drag. What is written in the box? Hold down shift to drop floating object into container. In English, guys, container means what? Container किसको बोलते हैं English में? Where we store the raw material, we store the things, correct? I just increase the size. You can also increase the AC. Can you do? Okay. Now on screen, listen very carefully. Pick up total orders, total customers. Okay. Which button I have to press? Hold down shift. Do we have shift button in the laptop? C. Shift. Release mouse. Work is done. C. Pick up second sheet. Go to the location of the box. Press shift button. It asks me where do you want to drag? Right, left, top, bottom, or right? I say right. I release. Pick up. I release. I pick up. I press shift. Release mouse. Can you do this one? You just have to drag all the 5 sheets on one box. That is the container. How many are done? Able to drag inside box? Okay. Now guys, click on total customers, 9 students, done till here. Online students, have you done till here?
Done, sir.
Click on total customers. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Right click. Hide titles. Do for every box. Right click, hide titles. नाम पे क्लिक करना है, टॉप पे हाइड टाइटल्स करना है. Done. So can I say we have one container or on this container we have 5 different sheets? Clear? Okay. Come to layout. Layout में are you getting something known as horizontal? What is the first sheet name? Total customers. Your border. उस पे क्लिक करना, take a border. Border make the work neat and clean, guys. नहीं, हर एक शीट पे करना है. So every box will have their border. Just click on the name and click on border wise. All 5 are coming inside horizontal, na everyone, guys? Okay. So done. Then online students. Now guys, click on customer strength. इस पे click कीजिए. And double click on the line which you're getting on the header. Just do double click. Select it. See my arrow. Done from my side. And properly adjusted the height and the width. Should I repeat? Done. Yogesh, Ragini, Shantanu.
Done, sir.
Ragini able to perform?
Working on it, sir.
भी लेआउट में मिनिमाइज कर दो. So you will not get confused. Come to dashboard. Take one horizontal and drag. Done. On screen. Pick up segment. I drag in the box. I pick up category and drag in the box. Category and double click on the line. So entire box selected. Shubham, should I wait or should I? कैटेगरी पे क्लिक करो, एक डबल लाइन आ रही है टॉप पे, उस पर डबल क्लिक करो, दोनों शीट सिलेक्टेड हो गए, डाउन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कंटेंट इवेंटली, so everyone will take equal space. ये हो गया, okay. Ragini, done this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, come to layout, guys. Are you getting one vertical? Inside vertical, what are the names coming? Segment analysis and category. Click on segment and can you take a border again? Then border for both. Okay. Guys, click on customer strength. Are you getting a double line on the top? तो कुछ लाइन है, उस पर डबल क्लिक कीजिए. Drop down, distribute content evenly. What happened? This will give equal space for every charts inside container. Okay. Now take one vertical and drag. Clear हो गया. Now take your subcategory and drag in the box. And take your state and drag in the box. Guys, done. We will be coming to the last stage. उसी बॉक्स के इनसाइड में कैटेगरी और स्टेट को ड्रैग करना है by holding a shift button. Again, done. Okay. Click on state and you get a double line. Click करो. Drop down, distribute content evenly. Same thing. Done. Saurav. Okay, Saurabh. डबल क्लिक करो, ड्रॉप डाउन करो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो। अगर ये दोनों एक ही प्लॉट में नहीं होंगे ना तो नहीं आएगा। Now guys, go to layout. Are you getting one horizontal? How many options are getting in horizontal? 2. Category and state wise. Click on subcategory and take border. Done guys. So, take your time. वो बॉक्स में दोनों नहीं दिख रहे ना, दोनों हैं तो सिर्फ बॉर्डर पे क्लिक कीजिए। Then going to the model. The last chart I'm going to track now, which is remaining guys, profit versus return. Now take one vertical as a track कीजिए. And drag your profit and return. Report should look like this way. Now if we just have placed the data in one order, nothing else we have done. Done, guys. Shall I repeat? नहीं शीट में आप कर सकते हो कॉस्मेटिक चेंजेस एडजस्टमेंट फॉर्मेट में कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं होता यहाँ बॉर्डर आया क्या हाँ वो कर सकते हो Have you reached here, everyone? Shall I? On screen. Click on format. Main toolbar. Click on format. Click on dashboard. Okay. Here we have default shading. Drop down and select whichever color you want. Your background color will get changed for you. Done, everyone. Format, dashboard. Default I have taken this color. You can take any color which you like. All the background color get changed, guys. Now, come to dashboard title. In dashboard title, we have two things, border and shading. Go to shading and select the shading whichever you like. Done shading for this. The title gets colored. Screen पे देखो फिर click करो. Come to worksheet title. In the shading, select same color. Done so far. In the worksheet title, we have font size. Drop down this. Click on bold, black. Can you see? All the header become dark and bold. And I have taken font size as Times Roman. Become more systematic for me. This guys, we are doing changes only for title. Huh? Clear. So we are done with title now. Dashboard title, worksheet titles. Close this. Okay. Now again, click on format, click on workbook. Now guys, we are working on worksheet. Come to worksheet. I'll take Times Romans. I've taken as bold. So all the numbers become bold for you now. Agree? Times Romans bold and black color. Look like slightly neat and clean now. Slide we done formatting with titles, dashboard title and worksheet title. We have done formatting for numbers inside your worksheet. Clear. Close this also. The report look like fairly neat and clean now. Okay, on screen. Now click on segment analysis. I'm asking you, okay, you just give me the response. Do you want to keep border on title? No, I'm asking you, should we keep or not? Click on segment analysis, right click, format titles. Click border on title. Same way, change border for every. Just clicking on chart. For every chart, have changed the border. मैंने segment पे click किया, right click किया, format titles किया. I change the border. Then I click on second chart. Then I change the border. Third chart, fourth chart, fifth chart. Done for all 5. Close this. Zoom out. How many are ready to leave? Shubham, done?
I'll be working, sir.
Okay. Kagiri done?
Working on it, sir.
Okay. People who are done, click on the sheet, click on this funnel shape. maybe sheet पे click करो, you get funnel option. हर एक sheet पे करना है आपको. Sheet पे, cards पे नहीं. Only on the 5 segment, category, subcategory, profit, versus return and state. 5 charts. Okay. Are you ready, online students? Online students, are you ready? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you clicked on every chart and have you clicked on the plus sign? Have you clicked on this funnel symbol, filter symbol? Yes or no? See, this will come as blank for you.
Yes, sir.
Do for all the 5 charts. Once you're done, just update me and start the explanation. Guys, shall I start? 5 to 10 minutes, then from my side, concept done. Okay. Can I say dashboard is collection of multiple charts? In dashboard, we spend lots of time for formatting. Okay. Next, guys. How many customers we have? 793. Let me increase the font size for you.
793. 793.
Okay. So number of customers are 793. How many orders this customer have given? In the 5,000 orders, how many quantity we delivered? 37,000. Business happens for 22 lakhs. Profit comes for $2,86,000. Okay. Now, according to you guys, it is a sales report. From which segment we get the high sales? Segment में आओ कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा sales है? Consumer. Once you click on consumer, all number get changed. See? Okay. Why this changes happens? Okay, on screen. If you remember, you click on this funnel. Understand the difference, guys, first. You don't have to do, just let's see over here the way I'm going. Everywhere I deselected. I come to original back. I click on consumer. Any change happens? No. The changes will not reflect over here. Okay. To have a reflection, that's the reason we click on filter. So this will be working as filter for you. I believe you know what is the meaning of filter. As you said, high sales come from consumer. Then which category? Within technology, which product? Phones. Okay. Then using phones, I go to, let's say I want to do a business in California. In California, guys, which month is a profitable for company? November. And we have November have the lowest return rate of 4% and the profit of 16.22%. Till you're clear. So when you submit this answer, you will submit like this way on screen. California consumer we take, technology we take, phones, California state. Which month is the best, as you said? November is the best month. And warning, when I say January, Feb onwards, keep on declining, sales become very small. If the profit decreases, when I say return increases, so Feb onwards, profit is declining and March become difficult for us. Clear. Next. You want to come back to original. Okay. Again, deselect where you have tick. उसी पे double tick करना है. You'll come back to original. Now second. Let's say high sales come from consumer. Okay. But as a business person, I want to do a business of office supplies. Which subcategory is better, guys? Binders. In binders, let's say I want to do for Texas. Reflect me over, one second. रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं होगा तब यहाँ पे मैं फिल्टर का टेक्निक किया ओके consumer, then office supplies, then tax. See, the return rate becomes 0 in Texas. Highest profitable month, November. So can I say that we will write like this way? Consumer and no, what we have taken? So first we click on consumer, then we click on office supplies, then we click on binders. Example, I've taken the binders. After binders, status, access. Okay. How much is the profitable? Can I say November month is the best month? Clear, okay, guys? Okay, with okay, which is the difficult month? July. 75% of the product in July come back. So warning, July have highest return rate profit rate in the entire. In the month of July, don't do a high business. Till you're clear, if you're doing a high business in the month of July, make sure you check the quality of the products. Till you're clear, guys. If I instead of binders, storage, what happened? Can I say after every 3 months the product come back return to us? So here we have seasonal return pattern. Agree. See, return rate is also 25% equal. I'll come back to original. Okay. Clear, guys. Can I say this will help business to understand where to do a okay. Now, guys, you try. Anyone? So you want to go with corporate? Okay. Phones. Any other state? Don't go here. New Mexico. With 0 return and 100% profit. Okay. Or you want to go with California, click on California. In California, which is best? October half, but the return rate is also 17%. No? Can say January the best. Return rate is 0. And the profit, if we invest 20,000, business happens. See on the revenue. The revenue is 20,000, profit is, which is approximate 10% of the sales. The display, how many customers we have to deliver? For example, I click on this. How many customers I have to handle? 2 customers. How many products I have to deliver? 12. Okay. It's coming 0, guys, because I've converted into 1,000. If I remove the unit, it becomes a number for you. Easy to read, guys. Online students, any question, please ask. Now, guys, this without dashboard, can you make these conditions? Dashboard helps us to guide where to do a business and where. Okay, that is the use of dashboard, guys. Got the importance. So whatever study we have done for this only. So from my side, you're done. Clear. Online students, any question, please ask. Okay. Can I say every sheet will have only one plot? Yes. Can I say dashboard is a collection of multiple sheets? Yes. Now next to dashboard, can you see a book symbol? Click on that. What is coming as? Story. See, in the story, guys, can you see? We have sheet also, plus we have dashboard also. So story is nothing but collection of sheet and dashboard. Okay. So overall story for you is like this way. Multiple sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. All sheets will come in one dashboard. Everything will come on one story. On screen. Now I want to drag the second sheet. Should I pick up? Can you see option over here? I'll drag. Whichever format you want, you can take that format. Numbers format 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Dot format. Row format. It's like you, whatever how you need a formatting. Can do like this way. The story is nothing but just a collection. Any question? Please from my side, your concept of Tableau done. Only this. Okay, 5-10 minutes. Click and drag. Okay. Agini, Yogesh, Shantanu, any question? Guys, do you understand the logic? How it works?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sure, Yogesh.
Sir, if we keep this in the floating, then only filter will be changed, or the in the other side also will change.
Yes, only you have first you need to click on this funnel, users filter. Then only the changes will occur.
If we keep that in the tiled, if before making the dashboard.
Before making dashboard, what do you say?
We made this dashboard in the floating. So if we made that in the tiled,
speak slow, let me understand it. Or you can type also.
So we made this dashboard in the floating. So
Okay.
if we make that in the tiled format,
we can also make in tiled. As such, rule is not there. Floating means where we can adjust the size. That's the benefits we have. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You can change background color to any format. Huh? Okay. Done from my side, guys. Any doubt you have can speak. So Tableau is easy or difficult, guys? So if you think like this way, in 3 days or 4 days, you feel like Tableau is easy for you. 9 hours you work in a day in office and you work for 365 days. And you're working only in Tableau. It will become more easy for you. Fast and effective.
Yes, sir.
Story is the same thing. Either present yourself on dashboard or you can present in story. But if we cannot have within one dashboard multiple, that's the reason we go for story. I'm repeating, people who do not have Power BI, in your Windows, search for Microsoft Store. Okay. And write Power BI desktop and download and come. Clear. Ragini, Shantanu, Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, it's approximate some MB file, 700 something approximate. It will consume time. So before lecture, do and come. Okay. Thank you guys. Done for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Ragini, just make sure you install Power BI also.
Yes, sir, sure.
You don't know how to install?
Hello.
Do you know how to install?
Sir, I have already installed.
Okay. Thank you.